What's going on, man?
Welcome to the store, amigo. Thank you for coming.
What is this stuff right here?
This right here, this is the Bodogos series. These Bodogos guys, these crazy guys over there, these guys fuck. You know what I mean? Like, these guys straight up fuck. They're probably fucking right now. It's crazy.
Well, it looks dope. Maybe I could pick up a pack of these papers right here.
What are you gonna use those for?
I'm gonna be rolling up weed with them.
You're gonna be rolling up weed?
Yes, I'm going to smoke it later this evening, actually. I can't wait.
Yeah.
You don't believe that?
I mean, you know, man, I've been working in the shop for a long time. Sometimes people come in, they're kind of like, hey, what's going on, man? You know, you kind of catch a vibe. You come in, you're kind of like, bah, 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 bah. It's a little bit different, you know?
If you're not willing to sell that, let me get this rolling tray right here. It looks dope.
I mean, I can't sell you that either.
Is this even a store? Or like, am I in like an advertisement or something like that?
It's a store, but the customers have to actually use the products to buy them, yeah.
Let me get that thing right there. That skateboard looks pretty dope.
Oh, this thing right here? I can't give you this either.
I can't even smoke with that, man.
But it's tangentially related to weed.
Dude, I don't know what's going on through your mind right now. I think your hair has screwed up your brain a little bit, and it's spilling all over the top of your head. I walked into this store with the intention to purchase something, and I want to walk out with the stuff that I bought.
How about this? You take a hit of this right here, prove to me that you can handle a little bit of herb, the world is yours. I'll sell you whatever you want.
That sounds perfect, man. Just give me this. I'll light it up real quick, and we're good to go, baby. Oh shit, man.
You're right.
Yo, I'm feeling funny.
You good?
What the heck?
Yo! Hey, Cecilio! Get the mop!